What's up? It's Richie, holisticpersonaltrainer.org, healthconsciouslife.com, dietitian, personal trainer, creator of muscle release, overall health enthusiast. And today, I'm giving you a tip for easy gardening tricks. This is my best crop. It's easy to grow. It's so healthy. It's amazingly good for your bones. You may have seen them before, dandelions. But to take it a step further, not only can you just plant the seeds that some little ones love collecting, you know, the little white seeds that you blow, you could actually just replant them. So I took some of these big ones from the front yard, so you know people don't step on them and dogs pee on them and whatever and whatnot. And I'm just gonna put them in the ground here. Whoop. So actually replanting, what do you call it, relocating a dandelion plant is much easier, quicker at least, than trying to regrow it from scratch. So you know, it's up to you. I probably wouldn't eat the first greens if they're sitting outside, you know, in a high traffic area. People might be stepping on them with their dirty shoes, and who knows where they work and what they step on, or again, dogs peeing on them. But you can simply clip the first greens and the flowers, and then it's got the root system. It's gonna grow a lot faster than trying to grow it. I'm growing these 2 rows with just the seeds, but that's gonna take a while. And guess what? I'm not always that patient, even though I do all this yoga. So that was 2 minutes of one of the best garden tricks. And yes, I know you're asking, I hear you asking, yes, you can eat dandelions, the greens, I think the flowers too, but gotta look into that. But the greens are amazingly healthy. They have a mineral profile that are really suited towards bone health. So go find you some dandelions, and don't just stand there, be healthy.